Welcome to the back my channel, Truth of IT Sector. Yesterday, Sanjeev sir told some MCQ question only and told that discuss in next class with practical. So I am coming in again in class and I will discuss everything in 10 question why use and how to use with practical discuss first. So let's get start with first question. A static function can be accessed using null reference. What then question? What is null reference and how to access a static method? Function is wrong because in Java function is called method. Function and represent as method. So a static method can be accessed using null reference. First of all, I will discuss this question with practical. So okay, open my editor and give some file test to dot java. First create one class, create one class and create one static method entire class. Like the class, the method name is display. You can write method name is anything, not even display. Here display is name of the method. You can write anything like ABC. But as for IT standard, whenever you write method, variable, class name, it is meaningful. Then you follow the IT standard. First of all, first MCQ question: a static method can be accessed using null reference. Then what is null reference? Null reference means when you create object of the class like that. First of all, create the object sample of equal new sample. Then this is a fully object creation, but you assign with null. Then this is null reference in Java. So if object only reference variable is created and it's signed with null, then the variable is then the object is null. So my question is static method can be accessed using null reference. I will try Virat display. No compile time error. It, I will try to run and execute the code and I will see the output. And you can also see the output in my terminal. Nothing is happened because message is not there. So add one simple message. I love Java programming. So again run and see the output. I love Java programming. Question answer is you can call the static method in Java using difference variable. This is valid. So correct answer is true. Correct answer is true. Then go to the question two. Can we compare int variable with boolean variable? Copy question and write the question on the top. Then I will try to give the answer. Can we compare int variable with boolean variables? It means like this: int a equal to 10, boolean inside a main method. Next, second question. Comment this. Comment is ignored by the JVM, so don't care this. Int a about 10 and int b equal to 20 and int c. Then c equal to c बराबर then C system dot a equal b. This is valid means int and int is compare, no error. But in case of int and when compare, then we we will get error. Let's You can see the proof here. In first of all, int a equal to 10, then one declare with boolean b equal to true. True. Then compare. This is valid here, not a equal h. So we can see here this is not valid. This is not because and why? First, you know is first first we want to know this is know why this is not allowed, because you can see here the operator equal is undefined for the argument type into boolean. So int in Java, boolean is returned true false value in the form of string. In Java, boolean data type return value in form of string, true or false, rather than 1 or 0. In JavaScript, boolean value is returned true then 1, first then 0. But in case of using Java programming, boolean data type return value is true and false. So here this comparison is not possible in Java because string and integer is both are different data type. So that is not valid for comparison. So that's reason you all this MCQ. Please remember this type of point because maybe ask in your interview a simple question. Everyone study more than an advanced topic, but simply ask anyone question. Definitely, we will not answer it. So go to the next question. So answer is false because int variable not compared to the boolean variable. So next question, what of the following is the default value of the local variable? My this question is copy and paste in my code and try to understand what do you mean by this question. Means local variable. What is first of all, what is local variable? You see in a question, what of the following is the default value of the local variable? I know everyone know what is local variable, but I tell that local variable declared inside the block, yeah, strsa constructor, yeah, inside the method, then the variable is called local variable inside the method, any main method. This is local variable because declared inside a method. Method is main. The first point is clear. Variable is declared inside the method. Then variable is local variable. Second is block. What do you mean by block? Block is nothing. Just simple one curly braces open and close. This is a block. This block is you can write inside a main method, yeah, any method, and as well as class level like this. You can write like this. Something type message, local variable no block int a b c equal 100. This is also local variable because declared inside a block inside a class but outside not remember 2 point local variable is declared inside a method block, yeah, constructor. Create one constructor for test two classes and equal to so this is local, this is also local variable because declared inside the constructor. If we want to prove how I can say this is a local variable, then we will see how is this possible and how I can say this is local variable because local variable having a some scope, yeah, any type of variable having some scope. If variable is declared inside a block like this, then this variable is not used, yeah, reused outside of the block. Means if variable declared salary equal 100, if you try to access outside of the block, then we will keep error. Error. We will getting error. You see error. What error? Cell cannot be resolved at variable. This variable name is unknown for this block out of the block. So local variable having same scope use only inside a same scope in block. So here this is possible. So that's ill. That's all about local variable and why local variable default value is not because local variable you local int loc only declared and try to print. Say this is also not valid. This is also not valid. uh, I write some point related to local variable. You try to remember this whole point. First variable declared inside the method to main constructor 3 में variable must be initialized before use it. Fourth, local variable has no default value. And fifth, local variable is not a static variable. Local variable is not final variable. Local variable is not a static variable. So sixth point is always remember in your mind, because if you are not understanding the scope of the variable and where can be access variable, then you can't any one mathematical calculation in your program, because you want to do something, but we will see happen something. So this is a reason. First of all, know this concept, where I can access and how can access and why I can say that, like, so everything is covering video. So next question. So question 3 answer is not assign it, not assign anything. What of the following is default value of the instance variable? Next question. What is the value of the value? What of the following is the default value of the instance variable? So what is instance variable? First of all, instance variable is declared outside of the method constructor block. Then the variable is called instance variable. In Java, all instance all in Java instance variable having a default value depend on the data type. So option correct is C. Depend on the data type. How how I can say that, sir? So I will I will keep proof. First of all, create next second class, because code is very lengthy. So create once create code, and I will give proof what is the default value of the instance variable in Java. So test third dot Java main method declared outside of the block, outside of the constructor, outside of the method is called instance variable. So all this point following, this variable is not inside a method, not inside a constructor, not inside a block. So this is this is instance variable. Here uh, I create only variable but not assign any value. So this variable is assigned default value with 0, depend on the data type. Int 0, string null, double 0.0, float 0.0, like this, depend on the data type. So create one object and access the variable, and we will see the output. Test 3 beta equal new. Test 3. Access. OB dot A. Run the program. We will see 0. We will getting 0. So this is a proof. All instance variable having a some default value. All instance variable having default value depend on the data type. So question. So answer correct answer is C. Depend on the data type of variable. Fifth question. What is the size of the byte variable? So this is a basic question. You can check out. Yeah, you can search on the Google and you will see the output because this is not compulsory to uh, practical because that is not any existence code of the this question. Correct answer is 8 bits. What is the size of the char variable? 60 bit. 7. What is the size of the boolean variable? So in Java, not specify the boolean size, but minimum at least 8 bit of boolean data type size. So this is correct answer. Is an empty.java file a valid source file? No, this is not valid. Empty source file. How you can compile? So this is not valid. Uh, Without main method, you can't compile job any even one dot class file because the compile when you try to execute your Java program, compiler searching main method signature with public. Then how JVM identify your code is valid or not? So this is not false. Can you have multiple classes in same class file? Yes, you can write multiple classes in one dot class file, but condition is there. One public class is there, only one public, not multiple. Like this, I create test 3.java. I can create any other classes also. Classes ABC. Valid. The classes. This is proof how to create multiple classes in same class, but certain condition. Your file name and main method class name should be always same and one public class at least. If you try to write another class as public, then you will see the error. We cannot write public class more than one. So that's all. So answer is true. You can write multiple classes in single class in Java. Can we have two public classes in one file? No, I already told that you cannot two public classes declare in one file. So this is false. What is the default value of the byte variable? 0, because byte is int, number type, byte, int, short, long. So this all data type is related represent to number. So default value is 0. That's all in video. Please give me some feedback because feedback is very important. Uh, that's all. I will meet in next video again tomorrow with some new MCQ question. Jai Hind.